Juice box, boy.
What up guys? So today I'm on the new video. So we're loading up the welds. So these are the welds off my WK1, my 09 Jeep SRT. So I'm selling the welds. Obviously you guys know I got the WK2 now, so I don't really need the welds no more. So I'm selling them. I have a buyer already. We're gonna go sell them, me and Drew. And obviously we got the beast in here. It's all set up, put away, you know what I'm saying? This is only gonna come out once in a while. Then this motherfucker's turboed. Nothing but turboed cars around here, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna get ready to sell that. We actually dropped merchandise. We're about to go deliver some to some as well. We had a lot of people buy from out of state, which, you know, I appreciate all that. A lot of love and support to everybody. We got a couple locals. We got a lot of locals that show love as well. So this is the sticker I gave everybody. And then this is the shirt. This is the design. So you got the WK1 turbo Jeep, and then you got the welds right there, the front picture. Then you got the WK2 turbo Jeep, and then the SRT in the middle, and then you come to the front, and you got the MDG logo on the front. So I made a limited quantity of these. I think we made only about like 50, and they're pretty much all sold out. So they're pretty much all sold out. We got a couple sizes left, but pretty much sold out. I think we only got like 5 left now. So I'm very grateful. We barely got them on Saturday. Today's Sunday, so they sold out already almost. So grateful for that. Thank you for everybody that bought some. Appreciate you guys. You know, appreciate all the love and support we've been getting. And so today I'm gonna do a video on the F150. I finally got the hood. The hood should be arriving today. I got it from Lethal Performance. And we're gonna be doing a video on that today. No video on the Jeep, you know, surprisingly, but we're just gonna do a video on that. But first I gotta go sell the welds, pick up a carbon fiber hood, and then sell some merchandise, and then we'll be back. So we just got the hood right now. This is it. It's the Venom hood. This is the one that I had on my WK1, but I sold it. It's my boy. He ended up picking some shirts. He got the welds from me as well, so he got the welds, and he sold me the hood, and he got the welds.
That's a little fucked up, but I got it for free.
I'm gonna edit that out, Najlane. But and then right now, so we're gonna go put this on, and then we're gonna get the other hood on the F150, and then I'll show you guys. But all right guys, so we finally got back to the crib, and the hood was delivered, and this is it. I got it from Lethal Performance. This is the 3-inch cowl hood from them. I ordered this about like 4 or 5 months ago, and it finally arrived. I had them color matched it. I think at the end, after shipping and everything, I would have to look, but I think the total was like $1,800 or a little bit more. I'm not too sure, but yeah, I mean, it took a minute. That's the bad thing about it, but I know hoods take a while, but even my carbon fiber hoods don't take this long, so I don't know what took so long with the painted hood, but it's finally here. I'm just glad it's here, and let's get it installed. All right, this is the hood right here. Obviously, you can see the cowl. This is how it looks on the inside. So it came with these 2 bolts. For obviously, you need the hood latch. And then Cervini, I'm guessing that's how you say it. And then you have new bolts. And we're gonna get ready. So first thing you guys gotta do, obviously you got this bolt, you got one right there, and then you gotta remove the shock right there. All you gotta do is pop it off like here though with the flathead. And then I'm gonna show you that after this. Alright guys, so this is it. After adjusting it a couple times, I think we adjusted it like 4 times, we finally got it installed, and this is how it looks. That's how it looks from the left side, from the passenger side. how it looks from the driver's side. Let me give you guys an inside view. Oh yeah. So we got the white to match with the white hood, and this is how it looks on the outside, from the inside view, my bad. So this is a 3-inch cowl hood from Lethal Performance, and this is how it looks. Let me open it and show you guys how it looks. So once again, they sent you bolts, and these are the new bolts that they sent you. They have a washer and a lock, and that is a 10mm. And then obviously you got the new bolts back here, and these are 10mm as well. And then you come to this side and the same thing. And then I'm not too sure if this functioned, but obviously I assume it would. And that's it. And I'll show you guys once again how it sits, and I'll show you guys the corners. So me, I go slow on hoods just because, I don't know, that's just me. I go slow. All right, so it's shut. And I'm gonna be honest, this hood feels a lot heavier than the OEM hood. I ain't even gonna lie, like when we were picking it up, I felt a difference. So if you're like, man, this is obviously it looks good, and you know, it adds more style to the truck, and it, you know, it just overall looks better. If you're like, man, I want performance, I think you should stick with the OEM hood. And I'm not trying to bash anybody that makes it, but that's just my opinion, you know. But this is how it looks. So, I mean, I think fitment is great. It looks good. Like I said, they painted it. It took about 4 or 5 months. That's the shitty part. That's crazy to me because, once again, I said before, I've gone carbon fiber hoods and they only take about a month and a half, maybe 2 months. But it just, to me, a cowl hood that's fiberglass and painted, it shouldn't take 4 months. But whatever. I'm just happy it's here. But it looks good. Can't complain. And this is just my review on it and installing it. I hope you guys find this wonderful. Please subscribe to the channel. All right.
Juice box, boy.